Hello, welcome back to Global Weltrade Synthetic Signal Provider YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get notified each time we upload new content. Try to like, refer, and comment on this channel so that YouTube pushes to a very high level of audience. In today's video, we talk about irony of drawing objects, technical and Forex synthetic market. You see, I will start with illustration and we're gonna go deep to the practical part of this video. Okay, when you are trying to understand what is happening in the market, when you are trying to know the market structure, to know the direction of the trend, when you are trying to know the resistance and support, you have to use drawing tools provided by MT5 or TradingView. For instance, you want to draw a vertical line, you're gonna use a tool like this. You want to draw a horizontal line, you're gonna use a tool like this. You want to draw trend line, you're gonna use a tool like this. You want to draw zones, you're gonna use a tool like this. You want to draw you want to draw something like arrows, you're gonna use a tool like this. These tools have disadvantages, and I'm going to talk about the disadvantages because it's really lead to losses. Okay, when you are trying to use these tools to model the market instead of understanding the underlying candlestick patterns, candlestick production, and the higher time frame view of the market, these tools can actually become indicator. They will lag you behind the market. They will lag you behind the market because they are not acting as indicator, because it actually creates assumption. These tools create assumption because when you think that the market is trending up, if it is always bouncing off this trend line, it is assumption because you are assuming that whenever price come here, it's going to bounce up and go up. But the truth is, you don't know actually the area, the ranges of price where the market will automatically reverse. So it can come here and reverse, and you could have lose money. There's nothing that make you lose money more than assumption. Assumption can make you lose as much money as you can never imagine, because at that level you are just trying to have a false belief on the market, and anything that is false can make you to do what you don't want to do than something that is the truth. You can doubt the truth, but in most cases you cannot doubt the false. So that day you're gonna go 100%, you're gonna go full margin, you're gonna risk a crowd-funded equity. Maybe a group of people put hands together and fund into your hands to manage their accounts. You're gonna lose everything that day. You will ever be thankful for visiting this channel and watching this video, because this video will have saved you had you watched it in time. So always know that these drawings are there to lag you. Understand the higher time frame of the market. The only way to overcome this drawing is to understand the underlying candlestick patterns and higher time behavior of the market using both candlestick and line charts than just relying on these drawing tools, because they tend to become indicator, especially at lower time frame, and when they build assumption in your mindset that you will be weak to do the other round, to go to the main way of understanding market. You actually looking on the market without drawing this, without making use of these tools. You actually looking on the chart for about 30 minutes or more, just having meditation on the chart is enough for you to feel the market and know where it's heading to, than drawing these tools, because these tools will create assumption. I will repeat it again: create assumption, make you to have false belief. make you to assume that something is gonna happen. You're gonna assume that if market come back to this horizontal line, you're gonna go up. But in most cases, the market will not go up, it will range and then change direction. Okay, so let's go to chart and see the real application of these things. I will touch Forex market, of which it is good, but let's start with syntax market. So right here, I'm working on this. Um, let's consider which asset we're gonna use here. Let's consider flip S2 market. This is flip S2 market. Now, sometimes we are being deceived by what we see in certain time frame. So maybe because you are tools dependent, you are object dependent. You just come to the chart and then you do your trend line. You try a trend line, and then you also draw this one. Okay, which is cool. Now your belief is if the market can hit this trend line, it will go up, right? But look at what happened. The market did not hit the trend line. The market reached here and just go up. So how are you going to explain it? Okay. Now let's use another tool. And let's assume we are in 4-hour time frame. And then here you draw your support. This is your support. Yes. You believe that whenever this market come here, it's gonna respect it, right? Now this market come to this support, you break it automatically, you didn't respect it. You break it, you will think that, oh, this move is small. But in practice, you cannot be able to detect where the move is. This one just happened. Do you know the one that will happen in future? The past may not predict the future. So it's push here. You don't know how many stop losses are inside this session. You don't know how many stop loss. Not everyone will have mind to put stop loss below you. A lot of people want to make more money. They want to use big loss size, right? And so you are going to be taking out, even though the market let them move up and then move up again, you are going to be taken out before that move because of greed, because you want to use big loss size. So your stop loss is going to be small. So right here, when the market come back, it did not ever respect it. Yes, it's going up, but it didn't respect it. It have to go against you several times before it will respect it. So you see, these things are indicator. They lag you behind the market. Okay, let's use another tool. I'm gonna use another tool. Let's check good. Let's check good. So right here, this is Forex market. Let's open. Let's open this asset. Let's go to this market right here. Good, because it's the most volatile asset and lucrative. When you look at this market, we are on the basically we are on the 4-hour time frame, and then you see this market. You come here. You draw your trend line. Draw your trend line. You know why I'm laughing? I'm laughing because it is funny that these things actually make you to lose more money. This drawing of a thing. If you are a mature trader, you can draw after you have done your real thing by studying the candlestick, studying the volume profile, volume spread analysis, studying the higher time frame candlestick behavior and line chart behavior before you will now come and do this one. Maybe you do it on a different device and then keep it there. But don't allow it to deceive you. I know why I'm laughing. Don't allow it to deceive you. Come and pull your trend line. For you are hoping that if the market hit here, it's gonna reverse. What happened? It never reversed. And most people will be like, oh, he break it and then he start pulling back and therefore it's going to come back here. But it didn't. The market just create a small range and loop and break out of it. Push high. Okay. Then when you come here and you pull down your resistance, you think if market come, it's gonna respect it. a lot of people, even though we know it's trending, but many people don't still believe in that trend. They want to make money. They want, oh, if you come here, I'm gonna sell. The market pray, and then you try your support here, and then you try your support, and then you are believing that if market come here, it's gonna hold. Yes, it did hold today, but tomorrow this thing may not hold. It will just break down and start coming, taking here as a neckline, and then start coming. So you have to understand these things. If you like this video, make sure you're positive, subscribe to our VIP signal services, and go for courses and mentorship. Come for account management or even crowdfund management. You can get group of people, let them fund. Like crowdfunding means you create awareness to the public, and a lot of people become interested to invest with you. They invest in your hand, and then you now contact us as manager to make sure the goal of the investment is realized. Maybe you tell them that you're gonna double their money, or you're gonna triple their money, you're gonna make their money times five, and this is the commission. You this is your own share. This is the share of the manager, of which is between me and you. And then I have to tell you, um, the requirement is it is a negotiation. So if you are ready for this kind of thing, you have to talk. Thank you, and bye for now.